U.S. Army tests Apex counter-drone round for Apache.
The United States Army recently conducted test of a new 30 mm aviation proximity explosive, APEX, round designed for the H-64 Apache attack helicopter at the Yuma Test Center at U.S. Army Yuma Proving Ground in Arizona. The trial evaluated the munition's ability to engage unmanned aerial system using the Apache's existing M230 automatic cannon. The testing commences as the Army increases ETS focus on counter unmanned aerial system capability. Small drones have become widely used on modern battlefield, including in the war between Ukraine and Russia, driving demand for new defensive technology. Test officer Walter M. Cormick, who led the evaluation, said the APEX round was specifically designed to intercept unmanned aerial targets by detonating near them rather than relying on direct impact. The APEX round was developed to be a frag round that would prox in front of the unmanned aerial system and make a frag pattern that would take out a U.S., M. Cormick explained. The new ammunition is designed to integrate with the Apache's M230 30mm automatic gun, which is mounted under the helicopter and widely used for engaging ground targets. The APEX round shares similarity with the currently fielded M788 training round and the M789 high explosive dual-purpose round already used by Apache crews. M. Cormick said the main difference lies in how the munition detonate when engaging aerial target. ETS form and function is similar except it explodes in front of the target instead of hitting the target then exploding, he said. During the test campaign at Yuma Proving Ground, the Army conducted two separate subtests to measure the new munition's performance. The first phase assessed the APEX round and compare ETS behavior with the legacy M789 ammunition. The second phase focused on engaging unmanned aerial system in a live-fire environment. Crews fired approximately 1.2 rounds in total across both ammunition type during the evaluation. We engaged a couple different UAS and a few different ground targets, M. Cormick said. Yuma Proving Ground offer conditions that support complex aviation weapon testing. The installation provide nearly 2,000 square miles of restricted airspace, allowing helicopter to conduct live fire engagement that would be difficult at other test range. M. Cormick said the range's size and instrumentation make it particularly well suited for aerial firing exercises. They have done ground testing at other range. The problem is they other range don't have the land or airspace to do aerial firing from a helicopter, he said. So that's a big benefit. Plus, all the unique instrumentation YPG offer. To collect performance data during the test, Yuma Proving Ground used a combination of aerial and ground-based monitoring system. These included telemetry equipment, kineto tracking mount, high-speed video camera, and still photography teams positioned around the range. Support aircraft also played a role in tracking the engagement result. UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter flew overhead to help assess where rounds landed relative to the helicopter's firing position. The Black Hawk was used primarily for overhead score, so we can assess where rounds are impacting based on firing point of the aircraft, M. Cormick said. He added that the network of ground camera provided additional insight into the engagement. The other benefit of surrounding ground camera angle was having a 360 view of the situation, M. Cormick said. The Yuma Test Center regularly support evaluation by both military units and defense industry partners. ETS instrumentation and airspace allow detailed analysis of weapon performance during live fire trial. The APEX test program is part of a broad effort by the Army to strengthen counter drone capability across the force. Unmanned aerial systems have increasingly become common tools for reconnaissance and strike mission in modern conflict. Secretary of the Army Daniel Driscoll has directed increased attention toward both unmanned system and counter-UAS technology. A part of that effort, the U.S. Army Yuma Test Center has been designated as a primary interagency test and training range for counter small unmanned aerial system operation. Adapting existing weapons to counter aerial threats is one approach the Army is pursuing. By developing new ammunition compatible with the Apache's current M230 cannon, the service could expand the helicopter's ability to engage drones without requiring major modification to the aircraft. Following the live fire test, The Apex munition will move to the next stage of evaluation. The next step is an airworthiness release based on the result collected during the trial. The AWR would provide the safety authorization required for Apache crews to fire the round during operational use once the ammunition become available. Airworthiness certification is a key milestone on the path toward material release and fielding within the Army. If approved, the Apex round would provide Apache helicopter with a new option for countering small unmanned aircraft by creating a fragmentation pattern designed to intercept target in flight. For military plane and defense observer, the development reflects growing effort to adapt existing aviation weapons to address the expanding role of drone on modern battlefield.